What is the first step to healing an issue that could be plaguing your life right now? Healing comes from the word heal, which means restoring back to completion. And restoring back to completion starts with responsibility. So the very first step to healing involves taking responsibility for yourself and for what you are going through in that situation. Remember, people are what they are and situations are what they are, which means it is what you are feeling in a situation is what you have to deal with and is what you have to heal. And since it comes down to the feeling and that feeling affects your DNA, the moment you take responsibility for that feeling, at a very subtle level, you awaken from within yourself the power to transform that feeling. All feelings can only be transformed at the point of origin. For example, a certain situation makes you fearful, but fear can make you very grounded and very pragmatic. And that is your choice. A certain situation can make you jealous. And yet, should you choose with responsibility to unleash this power of inner transformation in yourself, the same jealousy can become an inspiration that can motivate you to achieve many things in life. The trick is in the way you take responsibility and deal with how you feel. That, for me, is the first step to healing.